Hi, I'm Toya. Today I will fold and fly 4 origami brands. I bought this item at a 100 yen shop in Japan. The 100 yen shop is like a dollar store. This item includes origami papers and instructions. First, I will investigate the properties of the paper. I'll check the hardness of the paper. After finding the grain direction of the papers, I compare the hardness of an origami standard paper and the airplane paper. The airplane paper is harder than the standard paper. Next, I'll check the weight. I folded the papers in half to check the weight. $1.23 grams. 1.53 grams. The airplane paper is heavier than the standard paper. I folded the paper plans according to the instructions. Let's fly.